In this video, I'm going to teach you about rational and irrational numbers, and I'll teach you all the tricks associated with it. So if we have a problem like this that says which sign makes the statement true for the rational and irrational numbers, and we have the square root of 11, question mark, 4.5, and we have to figure out if that's greater than, less than, or equal to. So remember that rational numbers can be written as a fraction of two integers. Their decimals either terminate or repeat. Irrational numbers are numbers that cannot be written as a fraction of two integers. Their decimals never end and never repeat. Okay, so those are the two definitions that you need to remember. So we can use a number line to help us figure all this out, okay? So we know that the square root of 11 is in between the square root of 9 and the square root of 16. These two are perfect squares. The square root of 9 is 3 and the square root of 16 is 4. So we could see that 9 and 16 are between 11, and 9 and 16 are the perfect squares, the root of. So that means the square root of 11 is somewhere between these two, right? So if we have a number line here, we could say the square root is approximately somewhere in here between 3 and 4. Now we can work on 4.5. So 4.5 is over here. So obviously the square root of 11 is less than 4.5. So that is the answer. The square root of 11 is less than 4.5. So you don't even need a calculator really to do this, as long as you know what the perfect squares are for some numbers, for example 9 and 16. And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't get that right away. You could just rewatch the video. As well, take a look at the description. You'll find a link to my ebook. In the ebook, you'll find a link to this video, and you could follow along in the ebook as you watch the video. As well, in the description, I have links to other videos of mine that are similar to this. You could check those out. And please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.